In this topic, we will learn how to modify the list. So I have, as per previous example, we have a list. I want to modify the list. This is so simple. You can just go for example, a of 0, which is 1. I can say, okay, make it like a 101. And that's it. If I say print A, so you will see that it will be starting from 101. So yeah, it updated the 0th location. This is how you can update. Now, if I say I want to modify during my iteration, during my loop, so I can write a loop for that for I in how much I have to go for. So for example, I want to go for um, a range, and then I can say in the range length of A, okay, and then I can say, and I want to make some values negative and some values positive because I just want to have some um, like negative value for your for the explanation. So if I say if a of I, which could be from 0 to 10, is less than 0, then I want to say, okay, please um, then change the value of a of I to the value of a of I plus 10. Okay. So whatever is the value, if it is -9, it will add 10, it will become 1. And if it is -5, it should add 10, and then it becomes 5. And then we will say, okay, at the end, after the loop, I want to print A. So let's see. So if you see here, wherever the negative value was, they updated, and it becomes like, so, and the 5 become 5. So this is how you're gonna be changing all the values in your, so you can update, you can change the value of the list. In this example, I just use the enumeration, okay? As you know that enumerate, return 2 values. This will be my index and this will be my value. So I say, okay, if the value is less than 2, the B value, if the B value is less than 2, then I say, okay, just it should be none. It should be none. Oh, I said token. So then I have to say this is also token. This token. Okay, tokens. So this is tokens is my list. So I am listing for this with the help of enumerate. So let's try this command and then we'll see. So I'll be updating all the negative values. Okay, and I'll put zeros instead of negative values. So what is happening? Oh, I'm changing. I did not printed it, okay? So it changes, but never printed it. So let's go and print the value of tokens. Tokens, and then I say A. I think I should be not here. I should be printing at the end. Print tokens. So it will just print the whole list, the modified list, okay? If I say print before the loop, it will print without modification, and then it will print with the modification. There you go. So if you see that, we have a 20, 12, and wherever the negative signs comes up, like -10, I got 0. -5, I got 0. -4, I got 0 in the new list. Okay, so that is how we are changing the. Okay. Another problem that comes in when you're trying to remove the position, remove the value from the list, you may get some unexpected result. Okay, so we have to be very careful. So for example, if I have this is my list, okay, -10 and -5. So I want to delete it. Okay, if the value is like negative, I want to remove the value from. So I want to remove it. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll say delete token 8. Remove this value. Let's see if it works. If it didn't work, then we'll use the other method. Okay, if you see that it is deleting the token. Okay, but how it is deleting? Let's see again. Okay, the clear screen. Now I can try again. I was expecting all the negative values, which is less than 0, should be deleted from the token, which is my array. It deleted 10, okay, but I was expecting 5 to be deleted as well. It didn't delete. Now, I was deleting -5 and -4, but it deleted -5, but not the -4. So you see that? So sometime we are expecting that we will be getting some result, but it might not be. Now, let's make it like that, okay? If I say it is -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -8, -9, -10. Okay, so this is how I have minus. Now, if I say, let's run it and try to delete so it should delete all values, but the result might be unexpected. Huh? So if you see that, so it is deleting, -1, -3, so every second number it is skipping, huh? -4, -2, -4, -6, -8. So it is deleting one number and skipping the other one. Okay, did you notice that? So why it is happening? Why it is happening? No, it is a bit interesting. If you see here, in this example, it deleted -5. Huh? Where is that? Okay, here. It deleted -1. When it deleted -1, the index is 1. Sorry, the index is 0. And the next index should be 1. So when it deleted, this becomes the 0 index. So it is working on the 1 now. So that is why it got skipped one more time. We deleted the 0. Okay, we deleted the 0 index. When we deleted the 0 index, this value becomes the 0 index. Because if it is deleted, well, this becomes a 0 index. And now the next value I want to work is on the 1, because I already finished the 0. So now I'm working on the 1. When this 1 is deleted, okay, -4 become the 1, and I'm working on -2 now. So that is how it is skipping one value. So the behavior which I was expecting is a bit different from this part. So you have to be careful when you are deleting the values from the list, okay, in a loop. So you may have unexpected results. So that's it for this part. Now we'll go for the next topic, which is list comprehension.